Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to tell you about the remote testing job opportunities as well as the work from home, work from office job opportunities. And before we move ahead, so let me tell you about the free live webinar that is going to happen on the upcoming weekend, that is Saturday. So we will be connecting with you live and you can sign up for this particular webinar. You can register for this webinar today. The timings for the webinar is 11 a.m. IST to 12 noon. After that, you can ask the questions as well. So you will be given the information about the job market. You'll be given the information about the AI, the agents, all of those things will be shared with you. Yeah. So do enroll today. It's free of cost and it is on the upcoming weekend, the Saturday itself, 1st of August. Right? Okay. So next, there's an opportunity with respect to automation test engineers. So location is Pune as well as Bangalore. The experience required is 3 to 10 years, and the required skill set is test automation, Java, Selenium or Playwright, ISTQB certification, and you get round one, that is online coding assessment, round two, that is L1 technical interview, round three, that is L2 technical interview. So you can share your updated resume at this email address. Okay. Then there's a requirement for EY company. So this is location is Kolkata, and we have got the referral also for you. So you can DM your updated resume for this email address for the referral, and the experience required is 2 to 10 years, and the interview date would be 1st of August. So it's a walk-in drive, and they are looking for functional tester who is having like experience in the life insurance and annuities domain. Then there's a requirement for the Bangalore-based location, and the company name is Apple, and they are looking for software quality assurance automation engineer. And if you're looking forward to apply, so you can apply to this link. So all the links will be shared in the first comment of the video so that it becomes easy for you to apply. Okay. Then there's a requirement for a QA intern. So as an intern, they are looking for you to have basic understanding of software testing concepts, familiarity with REST APIs and Postman, knowledge of JSON and API responses. Bonus would be basic automation testing knowledge, experience with bug tracking tools, Jira, Trello, etc. So perks are also given, and you can apply to this particular website. So it's a unpaid internship, but it's a remote role, and this is the website wherein you can apply. Then there's a requirement for a QA engineer, and the hiring is going on for QA engineer, senior QA engineer, mobile automation engineer, and you're expected to work on enterprise scale products with modern technologies, grow your career in QA, test automation, and software engineering. So you can apply or you can send your CV to this email address. Okay, one more opportunity for automation testers. So these days, if you will see, there is a lot of demand of automation testers. The job opportunities for automation testers are high, especially the companies are looking for what to you to have knowledge on Playwright with AI, agentic AI, Claude, then Copilot. Of course, Selenium is fine, but these days they are more looking for Playwright. So do learn Playwright these days. Then there is a remote role, work from home role. This for a requirement for a performance test engineer with 12 to 15 years of experience. At least 10 to 12 years in load runner and JB is required. So you can share your CV with current CTC and expected CTC to this email address. This is more of a cloud performance testing with AWS, Azure. So there's a remote work more opportunity. Okay. Now, besides this, there are other opportunities as well. So let me share that screen. Okay. So this is with respect to the company Obvious. And the recruitment drive is there on 30th and 31st of July. That is Thursday and Friday. Timings would be 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So position is for RCM domain, and the shift would be evening and night shift. So if you are looking forward for the opportunities, so please apply here. You can send your resume to recruitment at obviousai.com. Then there's a requirement for a QA role. Again, experience required is 5 to 7 years. Location is Hyderabad or it is remote. The budget for this role is 16 LPA. So you can apply here. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to this email address. Okay. So this is the requirement with respect to the QA remote role again. Okay, then there is a requirement for a QA engineer. Experience required is 2 to 3 years. Location is Ahmedabad. Work from office. So if you are interested, you can apply for this particular role. And the email address and the contact number is also provided. So do apply there. Right. Okay. So last but not the least, don't forget to sign up for this webinar. Okay, it's a free webinar that we would be having on the upcoming weekend. And we will be looking forward to have you in the webinar, because this webinar will give you an idea, overall idea of how the job market is looking for, how you should upskill yourself, how you should upgrade yourself in order to get the job. That's very important, because if you're not able to upskill yourself, then you won't get any interview calls, you won't get any offer letters, or you won't be able to switch as well, right? So do enroll for this webinar today. And the timing for this webinar is 11 a.m. IST. That is on upcoming Saturday, 1st of August, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.